Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the number systems and how to convert various number systems. Please see carefully the video. This is important for you and this is new things also. First we will tell how to convert decimal number to binary number. You know, last video I have given one video, no, the number system. The decimal number base what? Decimal number the base is 10. Here I have written, see, decimal number base is 10 and the binary number base is 2. So from the base also you can understand which numbers given. Before starting this, how to convert, one table I have given, just you will remember these ones. So it will be easy for you to calculate. 2 to the power 0 means 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 to the power 2 means 4, 2 to the power 3 means 8, 2 to the power 4 means 16, 2 to the power 5 means 32, 2 to the power 6 means 64, 2 to the power 7 means 128 and 2 to the power 8 means 256. So this small table you will remember so that no need to multiply that time. Okay, you need this one. I am telling, then you will understand why I have given this table. So we are starting the maths. How to, this is the computer maths, okay. How to convert a decimal number, that base is given, see, 10, to a binary number. We have to convert now. How to convert? Very easy process is there. Just you have to divide repeatedly by 2. How to do? Just you follow the process. 21st 5 will write. All the number will divide by 2 because we have to convert into binary number. What is the base? Base is 2. So you have to divide by 2. 2 what is 25? Or if it is not dividing, just nearest number you have to write. 2 12 is 24. No. So 25 is here. 24 I got. So how many remainder? 1. That 1 you have to write here. What is the remainder? You have to write here. By giving a dash, write 1 here. Again this is dividing. Dividing by 2, that is 2 6 ja 12. No remainder, so 0. Again 2 3 ja, no remainder, 0. 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 1. So here less than 2 came, so here in the division finished. Again telling, first 2 divided by 25 divided by 2. So 12 2s are coming 24. 1 is remainder written here. 2 6 are 12, no remainder, so 0. Again 2 divided by 2, 3. 2 3s are 6, no remainder, 0. Again 3 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 is remainder written here. So what will be the answer of this? Now you have to write the answer from the last, like this way. Just like this way, arrow I am giving. Like this way, right? That will be the answer. So 25, the decimal number, answer will be 11001. 11001. Understand? This is the binary number. So 25 decimal number, when we convert into binary, the answer will come like this, 11001. How to write? Understand? Again telling from the last, 11001. Whatever written here, all number will come here. You know binary number means only what? 0 and 1. So all 0 and 1 only came. So this way you have to convert a simple decimal number into a binary number. Another example giving, then to understand more. Suppose giving 64, a decimal number, then it will convert into a binary number. 64. First we'll divide. Start with 2. 2 what is it is even number, so 2 30 is 64. No remainder, 0. 2 16 ja 0 here also. 2 8 ja 0 here also. 2 4 ja 0 here also. 2 2 ja 0 here also. 2 1 ja here also 0. No, dividing all. Now see 1 came, so 64 equal to what came? From last you write the answer. 1, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. That is the answer. Easy only. Just you will try. It will be very easy. How to convert a decimal number into a binary number. But here some another question also like this will come. Sometime given decimal also. Then only you will have to use another method. Just telling. Suppose decimal means suppose 25. This question only taken, then it will be easy. 25 point suppose given 12. This decimal number convert into binary. 25.12 given. Okay. So what you will do? First you will find the conversion of 25. Okay. 25 here only I have done. You got this answer, 25 equal to this. So first you will find the 25, then the decimal part, then this decimal part 0.12. How to convert this one into binary telling. See how we will do. First you will write that decimal part, that is 1.2, that is 0.12. You have to multiply repeatedly by 2 only. Here also multiply repeatedly by 2 only. So what coming? 0.12 into 2, so 0.24. And what will come before the decimal? What will come before the decimal? That one will write here. Okay, here coming what? 0. Again this number you take. Again this number. After multiplying, what number is coming? This number again take. Again multiply. So 0.24 into 2. What coming? 0.48. There also 0. Again you see 0.48 came. 0.48 into 2. So 0.4 means 0.96. Here also 0. Next 0.96 into 2. What coming? 96. 96 to the 6 to the 12. Carry 1. 192, so 1.92. Here can see before decimal what came? 1. So you write here 1. Then again what will write? This one 9, again 92. After decimal what coming? That only will write. Okay, equal to 2 to the 4, 9 to the 18. So it is coming also 1. So like this at least 5 times you will do. If it is coming here 0, all 0 when will come, or 1.00 will come, then you will stop. Otherwise at least 5 times you have to multiply. At least 5 times. Whatever number will come here, that answer you have to write. Here you have to write from this side only. So what will be the answer of this? This answer will be 25.1210 equal to answer will be first 25 answer I got here. So it will be 11001. Then you will give the point. After point you will start from here. You will start from here 00011. Write 00011. That base is 2. Okay. So what are the decimal part? What are the decimal part? That decimal part maximum A will multiply 5 times. But when we can stop before 5 times also, I told that when the answer will be 1.00. If answer coming 1.00, then we will stop. Okay. That example also I am giving 1.00. Suppose just decimal part I am giving. Suppose one question is 0.50. 0.50. How to do? So 0.50 into 2 do. First only coming 1.00. Coming now. So here only 1. Before decimal is 1. 00 came here. So if you multiply 00 by 2, again 00 only come. So no need to do again. Here only stop. Okay. So when coming 1.00 or something 0.00, When 0 coming after decimal, then you will stop the multiply. Otherwise, if not coming like this way, at least 5 times you will multiply and get the answer. So this is the process how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. Okay, you will take so many numbers and practice first. Okay, then you will understand how to convert this. Another I am showing today, only two only giving at least.